Namaste. I would like to share a beautiful technique which is followed in yoga, which is called Shad Kriyas. Like the name suggests, there are 6 cleansing techniques. Let me name them: Neti, Dhauti, Basti, Trataka, Kapalabhati, Noli. Today we are going to talk about one of the dhautis, which is called Kapal Randhra Dhauti. Kapal, which refers to the entire forehead region or the facial region. Randhra means the holes or the passage, sinus passages, and dhauti means the cleansing technique. It is a very beautiful technique because we can practice it externally to cleanse our internal body. Let me first show what is to be done and how do we do the practice. We start by taking our palms, resting our thumbs on our temples. I'll start by right, using my 4 fingers of my right palm. I'll take it on the opposite direction and drag it from left to right. Likewise, for the opposite hand, right to left. This is how we would do. The pressure needs to be as subtle and as smooth like we are massaging a baby. We would take our fingers, the first finger and the middle finger, keep it on the internal portion of our eyes, which is our nose bridge, and then like so. Under the eyes, we would massage it. Likewise, using the same fingers from the corners of our nostrils here, we would again take it out. Out. Remember, the pressure needs to be really light, a baby touch. Now we can make scissor out of the same fingers and keep one finger above our upper lip, the other one lower lip, and pull it so. Using the same scissor technique, keeping our ears between our fingers, we would massage it both the side like so. The last technique, using the both finger again, rub it in front of your ears, behind. Okay? Now a few things to remember. I personally do it in the morning after brushing my teeth. I follow it after I complete my Jal Neti practice. So I use water. My skin is normal and I use it with water. I don't need any additional oil or cream. However, if your skin is dry, suggest to use oil. It could be normal cold pressed coconut oil or any of your massage oil or your moisturizer, and then you could apply that before doing this particular practice. If at all somebody has acne prone skin, then avoid rubbing on the skin or the affected area. You could either just press it and release, press it and release, or you could choose to just dab. Avoid the affected area and dab around the area. The recommended practice is that you begin by 3 to 5 rounds, and as and when you're comfortable, you can increase it up to 10 rounds each of the exercises. Preferably do it in the morning hours. That's the time where you get the maximum benefit. Let's talk about the benefits. It energizes the entire system. It cleanses the entire nasal and sinus passage. It reduces the headache. Because of the exercise, it promotes the blood circulation in the entire facial region, helps in reducing migraine pain, gives clarity and focus, aligns our mind-body. I would urge all of you to try it once to feel the difference and gain the benefit. Thank you. Namaste.